Hey guys, back with another video. I'm making something for my granddaughter to go back to school. And what I was telling you guys in another video, that I like to use this resin, different types of resin, just not this type, but different type of resin. And then you make your own design. So what I'm doing now, I'm about to unmold it. So I'm just taking it apart. And I'm going to show you guys the process of what I'm about to make. But right now, I'm just unmolding each piece. That's the bottom piece. This is the top piece where you see I have little shells in. But it's not looking like much now. But at the end, you're going to see the end results. And you're going to think it's so cute. And these are the sides I did in another type of design. But anyway, guys, I'll be back when I get to the next process. Okay, guys, I finally got it so it can fit in there. Let me push it down a little bit more. I had to trim it off with this little concoction right here. And now, see, that's the side. Now let's get started on the other side. And see if it fit. We're gonna go ahead and push this down. Hopefully it fit. If not, I'll have to be back to after I trim this side a little bit and then turn it around a little bit. Yeah, it looked like I have to trim this side, so guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I finally got these 4 pieces together. I'm just making sure they tightly in. Let's make sure this is tightly connected. Check all sides. So these are the sides. This is the sides. And this is that side and that side. And this is the bottom. Now we're working on the last piece, which is the top. And you see the little shells that I put in. So let's put the top on. Alright, so just add that in that hole. See? That little hole, you putting it inside that hole. And that's what we're doing. And then you close in the box. And this is the box. So, let's see. Okay. Alright, it's in the Cricut. So I'm writing out the name on the Cricut. It's almost done. Okay, it's done. Okay, now I'm taking my Cricut utensils and get the names off of here. Pull our name off. See how it just come off? And I'm going to get all these off, and then I'm going to place it on the box, and I'll be back.